Today I'm here with my friend Billy Swinford at Lone Star Elite Automotive Repair.
All right, so as you can see behind me, we have a 2020 Shelby GT500 in Twister Orange. It does have a few add-ons. We have Recaro seats. They are non-adjustable, non-power.
All right, let's take a look at that interior. Now, what have you done to the interior so far?
Nothing, it's bone stock.
How many miles you got on it?
Almost 1,900.
Love that color. Love it.
We've got plenty of trunk space.
Now, Billy, how many kidnapped victims do you think you could actually fit in that trunk?
Well, if they're intact, whole individuals, probably.
Yeah, not cut up.
Right.
I'm thinking 2.5. Now, I always loved the lines on this car. The factory fender flares to accommodate the tires.
But the wheels I actually added after the fact. This is not the carbon fiber model, so it only has aluminum wheels. So I sourced a set of the carbon fiber track pack wheels.
Oh, okay. Because when you said these were not carbon fiber, I was like, they look like carbon fiber. If not, they're like the Mona Lisa of fake carbon fiber wheels. Gorgeous, gorgeous lines on this car. All right, let's walk around to the other side here. And your exhaust is stock?
Completely bone stock.
Okay.
What's nice about this one is it has exhaust mode, so you can actually set a schedule and the schedule for quiet mode. So if you're coming home late or starting it up early in the morning, you can actually set that time perimeter so it will start up quietly versus being in normal or sport or track.
Right, so the neighbors don't hate you.
Right.
Okay.
More
And
than
it's your Ford Mustang, sequential tail lights.
Yep.
Love it, love it. I also really like how the orange feeds into the red to the black. Like, I think you did a really good job picking the color. Awesome. And how long have you owned it?
Since May of this year.
Any big problems since you've owned it?
Nope. It's actually been rock solid. No issues whatsoever.
Now, if you've been watching this channel for a while, I linked to DFWSPEED, Billy's badass channel. And one thing about DFWSPEED, although he loves his Hondas, what do you really love, Billy?
My Dodge Demon.
His Dodge. So, whenever he bought a Mustang, hell almost froze over.
Yes,
didn't
it
it?
did.
And you've got a
Some
video.
flurries, yes.
You've got a video all about that, right?
Right.
I'll link it in the description below. Now, Billy was telling me earlier that, guess what? This is not a Ford, right?
Well, it is a Mustang, and yes, it is a Ford, but it nowhere on the car or the sticker, window sticker, does it say Mustang. It just says Shelby GT500. That's the moniker.
How many Ford badges do you have?
The only Ford on the vehicle is right up here on the glass.
Okay, bring the camera in. Now, Billy, are we distancing from Ford and Mustang?
I don't know.
Okay, okay.
And here we'll open it up. Then the other one, it says Ford Performance down here on the rocker.
Oh, on your door seal.
Yep.
Okay, let's check that out. So we have Ford 1, 2, 3 times on the car.
Yep.
All right.
So here we have, this is another option. This is their Recaro. These are adjustable, but they are non-power and non-heated or vented. But they definitely provide the needed support when taking this thing around a track.
Are they comfy?
Surprisingly well, yes.
I'll tell you if the seats are comfortable. I gotta tell you, they look great on the inside. So really, the theme of the interior is silver on black with your Cobra right here.
And if you look at the seats, they're actually the upper design is mimicked after a Cobra head.
I see that. And you've got your 5-point racing harness if you want to.
Correct.
Awesome interior. And you've left the interior stock.
It does have the optional carbon fiber instrument overlay.
Okay, I see that right here. I see that right here.
Factory option.
And I actually noticed that your chassis is numbered. May I read the chassis number?
Of course.
Chassis number L0756. So when I got my Corvette, I didn't get a chassis number. Look at this. You've got an uninterrupted line all the way that goes through your door handle and pretty much ends right here. But look where it ends. There's another line coming straight back. This car is gorgeous. I really, really like it, Billy. Thumbs up, bud.
The other option that the car has, it has the handling package, which comes with the magnetic ride shocks, adjustable dampening of the steering. It also comes with a rear spoiler gurney flap and front splitter wickers. This is a base car which comes with aluminum wheels, but I did source a set of the carbon fiber track pack wheels. So these wheels, front and rear, are actually real carbon fiber. They are 315 30/20 in the back, and it's an 11.5 inch wide, and in the front we have a 305 30/20 that are 11 inches.
Now let me ask you, when it came down to it, was Ford just charging too much for carbon fiber wheels and you felt like you could buy a used pair aftermarket?
No, actually they are better priced when you have it optioned from the factory.
It's just limited availability and how you order your car.
Right, and it's so therefore the carbon fiber track pack has a limited availability, and because of that, most dealers are asking $130,000 for a track pack vehicle.
Okay.
Fully optioned out with every known option, including a painted racing stripes. These will top out just under $107,000.
Let's say that again. This is a Ford. 3 badges on the car say Ford, and the track pack is how
Fully
much?
optioned out.
Fully optioned.
Track pack with the painted racing stripes.
Okay.
Comes in at just under $107,000.
$107,000 US. Now I'll go ahead and convert that to some world currencies so you can see this is not a poor man's Ford.
Not at all. And another little side note that you'll notice on the front wheels, there is actually, you'll see a white substance that is on the barrel. That is actually NASA technology, the same that you would see on a space shuttle.
Is this the barrel?
This right here.
Yes.
It's kind of has a rough material to it. That is actually to protect the carbon fiber from the heat of the large 16.5 inch brakes.
Developed originally for when the shuttle re-entered orbit.
Correct.
Yes.
It's a ceramic based material.
I'm a space nerd. Wow. I gotta tell you, the carbon fiber wheels, gorgeous. Great choice, man. All right, let's pop that hood and see what's powering this bad boy. I'm sure Carroll Shelby would be happy.
I think he would be.
Now, you were telling me this is a 2-part process to pop in the hood, right? So we pull that latch on the inside, and tell us what we got up front.
Then we push in the quick latch and pull up on the corner, then move over to the other side.
Are those made of aluminum?
They are aluminum. And a first on a Mustang is an actual shock for the hood.
Nice.
In the past, it's all been a prop rod. Under here, first thing you'll see is we have the installed rain tray. This is to be removed when you go to the track, so you get max heat extraction.
So you installed this yourself?
No, it comes from the factory this way.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it's just a few bolts to remove it, and then you're in business. So under the hood, the modifications that we have done so far is a JLT intake, and that is it for now. For power mods, we did add a JLT brake master cylinder cover, so you would never know that wasn't factory because it flows so well with the car. The engine is a 5.2 liter all aluminum supercharged V8 with a 2.7 liter supercharger, producing 760 horsepower.
760, and that is at the crank or wheel?
At the crank.
At the crank.
Yes. Also make a cover for the expansion tank for the radiator, but I have not opted for that as of yet.
Cool. Let's go ahead and get a tight shot. A lot like AMG, a lot like McLaren, whenever they build an engine, they take so much pride that the actual engine builder puts his name on the car. And that's pretty cool. What do you think, Billy?
I just hope that Jason has crossed all of his T's and dotted all of his I's, and we won't have any problems.
So you're hoping he wasn't on his meds that day, right? Or maybe we hoping he was.
Maybe. So to close it, it's would be rather rudimentary, but you just kind of get it above it and let it drop.
Is the hood steel?
The hood is aluminum.
Okay.
The hood and fenders are both aluminum.
Today we're in a 2020 Shelby GT500. One bad flippin' Ford. So we're gonna hop on these roads and check out this driving experience. Come along for the ride. Okay, so the very first thing I'm noticing about this car is the incredible brakes. These brakes are amazing. The pedal bites all the way at the top of the depression. Literally, I'm not kidding. Before you can even think about braking, the car is already braking for you. I've had lots of sports cars, new and old, and the brake pedal doesn't bite almost to the nearly bottom of the footwell. That is not the case in this car. This car has superb brakes. Okay, let's check the steering ratio. Sucks. This is like trying to turn a aircraft carrier. Now, let's go ahead and do a couple of second and third gear pulls, just so you can get a sense of how fast this car is. So right now we've got the exhaust in track mode, so you can hear that true whine. Tell me what you guys think. Remember, if you like the free content of this video, please be sure to subscribe and click that bell at the top so you can be notified of the newest video uploads to this channel. But I promise you, when you hear the exhaust on this Ford, you're going to want one too. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Hi everybody, I'm here with my good friend Billy Swinford, and he's here to tell us about his company.
Hey guys, my name is Billy, and I own and operate Lone Star Elite Automotive. We are located in North Fort Worth, Keller area, just off of Denton Highway, and we can do just about everything to your car. And we are a full service shop. Pretty much the only thing we don't do is body work.
And as a quick side note, Dodge Demons and Dodge Hellcats have a special place in your heart, right?
Yes, they do. Yes.
So flipped up their Demon or Hellcat, would you suggest reaching out to you to get it fixed? I'm going to link Billy's info in the description below. And if you need your Hellcat or Demon or Dodge worked on, bring it to Billy because he's a pro. And let's get a tight shot of this awesome sign. That Billy, you have a great rest of your day and good luck with your business.